Hey there, welcome to the third episode of Speak It Out, Say It Loud. In this episode, we're going to be gathering students' thoughts towards the Toggle's latest viral video. So without further ado, let's go. So what are your feelings towards this entire saga?
I feel like it's quite unnecessary for her to judge people around like Orchard area.
It's very subjective.
I feel that maybe she shouldn't have said things that weren't very sensitive to other people.
It's like my own expression. Like I can wear whatever I want. And why are you judging me on that? Yeah.
Okay, so what do you think went wrong in this entire publicity stunt?
I mean, rather than making it, the way she said it was really negative.
I feel that the organisers who put this video up, right, they shouldn't have allowed this to go up.
You shouldn't judge other people, I feel.
If you look at the videos, they only cover the faces, and people who were there would actually know that, oh, okay, that was me. There's something wrong with what I wore. So it could actually be kind of offensive.
It's a question of morals and ethics. If you're an upright moral compass, you won't go around labeling other people based on what you think is right and what you think is wrong, you know. I'll feel very, very offended. I mean, everybody has got their own style, got their own identity, you know.
If I was labelled, I labelled, it's like, okay, you label me, that doesn't matter, your own opinion.
Everybody can wear anything they want because it's like eating prata. You cannot eat prata kosong every day. Must try prata telur, prata cheese, prata ice cream. That's what all life all about.
And yes, we've come to the end of this episode. So if you like this video, be sure to click share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, as well as follow us on our social media platforms at RPDMC. This is TK Senna again, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Speak It Out, Say It Loud.